Are you facing resistance to change? Are your efforts to advance your business through change going nowhere? Learn how change management is an effective solution. This video provides hands-on strategies to overcome pushback and implement change smoothly in your organization. Do it right with us. If you have limited knowledge and resources to channel change, explore this presentation today to harness the power it brings. The key to successful change management is knowing where to focus your efforts. It starts with analyzing the driving forces for change and identifying its need. Once you identify the change needed, draw a vision that provides direction and purpose to your effort toward it. A vision ensures all stakeholders' interests are aligned. Conducting a gap analysis is crucial to determine where your organization is and where you want it to be. This will help you understand the scope of the change and its impact. Don't miss out on the correct way of identifying the need for change. Download this presentation for great assistance. Now that you are done identifying the change and defining the vision, it's time to select change management agents, also known as change facilitators or change champions. These are usually from within your organization. A change agent should have certain characteristics to become a change leader. He or she should be influential, charismatic, a good listener, and a brilliant and effective communicator. With your selected change agents, you must finalize the change process, plan, tools, and models for successful implementation based on your need. You can use proven models for change management such as Atker model, the Brook-Litwin change model, Bridges transition model, and so on. If you want to give your organization the best change catalysts, download this presentation to get started. You should never forget about the risk and resistance that change attracts. With a risk matrix, you can measure the likelihood and consequences of risks materializing and lower their probability. Here are some change implementation strategies you must consider to ensure a seamless movement towards newer ways of doing business. These include creating a change transition plan, communicating the change, providing training, and creating an implementation timeline. Always execute your transformation journey with a detailed budget plan to avoid unforeseen expenses. This is how you should plan for the cost of change in a professional manner. Once the change is implemented, invite feedback from employees and evaluate the success of your change management effort. You must use a dashboard like this to measure the performance of your change management strategies. You can find such captivating visuals only in this content-ready sample. If you are ready to take your change management initiatives to the next level, grab this 50-slide PowerPoint presentation with a click on the download link. Thank you for watching.